Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have besides this one. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. I'm coming down with the flu again. We just got hit pretty hard with the snow. So I'll be alright in a few days. But here we go. Just came in to Amazon. And now we're going to see what's inside. And if you like this, you'll take advantage of the deals going on. And you'll get this in no time. Here we go. Rockin'. Ooh. Well, it is 2026. You guys might want to start doing some upgrades. Now, this will be a good upgrade to get for your PC. Bada boom. Coming from my good friends over at Redragon. This is a Wyvern LCD Pro, 3 modes, gasket mounted, mechanical keyboard. Ooh. Oh yeah, okay, I see the LCD right there. I like the numbers on the side. Not sure how you guys could do it without the numbers. Like this. That's why I like my keyboards. Easy access to it. Really nice stuff right here. 3 modes, full gasket. Blah, blah, blah. We got this. Here we go. Alright, let's open this thing up. If I could find out how to RGB mode. So thank you guys over at Redragon for sending me this mechanical keyboard. And here we go. Cut time. But yeah, they got a lot of stuff for your esports, gaming, you name it. They have everything you need. At an affordable cost. Here we go. So definitely check these guys out. So here are the gaskets. Ooh la la. Oh yeah, right there. Right there. Here's a little pronger. Take them out. Oh. Got the grip action. And this thing. Pretty cool. And of course, get the USB. Bada bing. So you can switch it on Bluetooth. Wired. Ooh. And of course you get the stickers. Ready for battle, Redragon. And of course the manual. Don't need it. So there's going to be a software you're going to have to download on the website, redragon.com. I'll show you at the end. Here's a nice little LCD screen. Please remove the film before use. That's what we're going to do right now. Oh, man. There we go. Almost got it. We got it. Man, that's a nice little screen. Look at that wing. Oh yeah. Got some weight to it. Not that heavy, but it ain't gonna slide everywhere, that's for sure. Oh yeah. Usually on the side. Right here. That's where you plug the USB in, right there. And then there's the dongle. Flip these up. Boom. Turn this thing on. Oh, we got some switches right here. See, they switched it on me. Oh. That's pretty cool. Bluetooth. Lincoln. $116, 2.4G. Okay, now we're gonna go on the PC. I mean, plug this. Actually, I think I got a wire from the Redragon, so I ain't gonna need this one right now. Keep that aside. All right. Oh, nice catch. All right, guys. Once you go on the website, you're gonna hit the software download, and all the way to your keyboard, you can select right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. There's the mice, keyboards, combos, headsets, accessories. Click on keyboard and find this LCD. I forgot what it's called already. It starts with the W, so it's all the way here. The Wyvern K761 Pro. Click on that. Drivers downloads. Software. It's 100% legit. You ain't gonna have no pop-up virus, even though this is gonna pop up every time. But it is a legit site. They're not a shady company, so don't worry about that. Everything's safe to click. Just download, open, keep anyway. There we go. Open file. Bada boom, bada bing. It's a beautiful day. See, look at all that snow we got. Good 6 inches. Nasty out there. I ain't like in the winter, that's for sure. But here we go. Got this installed. Super fast. Detect a new firmware. Yes. Ooh, check out this layout. Alright, now it's going to do its magic. Might take a second. Burning images or something. Coding. Everything passes. We are good to go. Okay. Come on. Please connect your device. My device is connected. Right there, it's loading up. You can tell on the top. Give it a sec. Give it a second. Pause.